In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there's a bird known as the hoatzin, or guardian of the golden feather. This peculiar bird is unique because it digests food like a cow. Instead of a stomach, it has a fermentation chamber in its crop, where bacteria break down leaves. This process gives the hoatzin a distinct musky odor, earning it the nickname stink bird. Its digestive system is so unusual that scientists study it to understand evolutionary biology better. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.